Swiss Bank Corporation. It's an investment bank and financial service company located in Switzerland. The bank is the third largest in Switzerland with over 300 billions of asset-wise bank operation. Traces its history to 1854. In 1998, SBC merged with Union Bank of Switzerland to form UBS, the largest bank in Europe and the second largest bank in the world. The company logo, which featured three keys symbolizing confidence, security, and discretion, was adopted by UBS. What makes Swiss Bank different from other banks? Swiss Bank is known as a tax haven country, which means they don't charge tax on the income of their resident. They are not a burden from the government, which is a good sign of prosperity. Interest paid by the bank is much lesser than the tax paid by an individual in the form of direct and indirect tax. From that, they get benefited. For rich, it's always the first choice to save their treasure. The main advantage with Swiss Bank is that they protect the privacy of their customer. Swiss law creates a kind of a bank secrecy where it's actually illegal to say the identity of their account holder, unless it's a significant legal cause. Of course, there are exceptions to every rule, but in a normal circumstance, nobody will ever get to know about the Swiss bank details. Number 2, if anything happens to your Swiss account, you will be fully compensated. In the event of a natural calamity, fire, flood, tornado or anything, you won't be assured that your Swiss account is safe and sound. According to the Swiss Banker Association, all Swiss accounts are completely insured in the event of loss or Swiss bank end. This means that your account will be compensated in full 100% of time. The guarantee that any financial risk that account holder ensure is as minimal as possible. This level of protection is rarely imitated in other parts of the world. Swiss banks are backed by a rock-solid economy. Swiss francs are not only the steady financial aspect of Switzerland. In recent years, the country has a rock-solid economy. Apart from that, the economic strife of international market has a minimal impact on Swiss banking. The conclusion, your bank account in Switzerland is protected in almost every way, an economy that isn't impacted by international economic strife. Swiss francs and Swiss law itself is one of the strongest and safest banks in the world with great laws and regulation, the world with most of the exceptional banking service one can find.